All right, practice problem 2. Let's go ahead and highlight our x-axis. All the points are going to flip across this red line. I'm going to start with the one that's closest. So D is one space away, and it's above it. So I'm going to go one space below the red line right here. Label that D prime. B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put a point, label it B prime. C is 1, 2. So we go 1, 2, C prime. And A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put a point, A prime. Carefully connect these. So it's kind of a little diagonal. And the shape should still look exactly the same. It's just been flipped over. Now we need to record all of these ordered pairs. So we're going to start with A, B, C, D. And remember, this is the one where we have to think and do the work, and then it's easy to do the primes. So point A, quadrant 2, that's a negative x. So it's at negative 2. And then how far up do I go? I go up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 2, 5. Now A prime, x stays the same. Y becomes its opposite. I'm just going to write that to remind myself. X is the same. Y is the opposite because I'm flipping over the x-axis. So where is B? B is in quadrant 1. Everything is positive. B is at 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 6. So B prime, x stays the same. Y becomes the opposite, negative 6. C is in quadrant 2, so that's going to be a negative x, and it's at negative 4. Positive y, 2. C prime, x stays the same. Y is its opposite. And D, quadrant 1, everything is positive. It's at 2, 1. D prime, x stays the same. Y becomes its opposite. That's it. So we can do these a little bit faster.